Kasirani another day, basic sharing lang on how we're able gonna fix the unit. As you can see, my flashing green and orange light, it's like a stoplight on the road. Before anything else, I just want to thank the Lord above for giving me this talent and knowledge about cars. At this point, a bit confused, so I had to ask someone. He's my mentor, my idol, from Cebu, Philippines, Albularyong Mekaniko, Sir Joe Chilio. Hands up sa inyo, sir. Thank you sa mga advice mo. Ito po yung convo namin. Here's our conversation, tips and advice on how I'm gonna start doing the test. So first of all, may power scan tool tayo. Ito, nag-check tayo ng voltage. Under voltage, yung electric na nagagaling sa injector. So this is actually the best time to check all the fuses. So my concern now, on the fuse, we're getting 12 voltage. So at this point, my mind is set on checking all the socket harness on the relay. So I pulled it one by one, check. This is the part where na tumagal tayo. So as you can see, that's my tool now to remove the relay. So this test is very efficient to check the 4-pin relay, to check if every circuit on the relay is working. Normally you hear a beep sound, so you'll have to get a multimeter and a power probe to have this test done. Shout out to my friend from Mapulanlupa, Pandi, Bulacan, Reg. Pre, na-miss ko na yung kwek-kwek mo, pati yung suka. Sarap! So, hindi lang yung sa engine ang check natin, pati rin dito sa may loob, may mga fuses and relay po tayo. Tip lang, kung mag-check tayo na ignition on po. So, dito, medyo dito talaga tayo natagalan. Next step, since